Can I come back after the flooring is installed and recheck the concrete where the original probes were placed? Well, first thing is, obviously this question is geared specifically for the RapidRH 4.0 sensor. Now, we can't guarantee that you can go back and read the electronics after the floor has been installed because we really don't know what's happened inside that concrete from point A to point B. But what we can guarantee is the fact that you will have the ability, if you use the system the way it's designed, to be able to identify where those moisture tests are placed so you can actually prove if somebody wants to question whether or not you did moisture testing. So the question is how? Well, with every single sensor you receive a metal disc, and with the metal disc, the intent is that you put it down inside the sensor prior to flooring installation and prior to your final floor preparation, and you skim coat it into the floor. So combine that with the documentation that you should be keeping, which gives you a general X marks the spot, and between the two of them, you could very easily identify on a specific floor where the tests are and tie those tests in that floor with the specific piece of paper that you're trying to prove and show the documentation of the moisture testing that were conducted.